Hey guys, it's Joe from VMP. We're here with Richard Clark's 2016 Mustang GT, and also Dale, one of our other customers. The setup that's on this car now is very familiar to you, Dale. I believe you pulled it off your Boss 302.
Yeah.
Can you give us a quick rundown on what's on the car right now since you installed everything?
Sure, it's a Paxton Novi 2200 HD centrifugal supercharger. It's got 2.75 pulley on the supercharger itself, stock crank pulley. It's got an 8-rib Vortec pulley system. The car has ID 1300X fuel injectors, a 4 twin fuel pump system, and long tube headers with 3-inch exhaust all the way back through boiler mufflers.
So like Dale was saying, this is a Paxton 2200 HD supercharger. You'll notice that the sound is completely different from what our superchargers make. This is essentially a belt-driven turbocharger, so it kind of has a turbocharger noise to it, but if you're used to the old school stuff, it sounds like an old S-trim or T-trim Fox body with a Paxton Pro charger, all that stuff. But just so you guys are aware, this does sound different than our supercharger, and it makes power a bit differently than our supercharger does. So we just got done with Richard's car, and on behalf of Richard, we're going to get Dale's reaction to the power number. It was still kind of soft timing, but 867, 698.
That's great.
So kind of a little bit higher than what you're thinking.
This thing around 850.
Yeah, exactly. So a little scotch higher, and we have the ability to run more power like we were talking about, but it's one of those things where it's stock engine, just kind of want to keep it together. So we're going to stop it there, and yeah, Richard should love it.
I think Richard's going to be real happy.
Awesome. If you guys want to see more content like this, or videos of Richard's car, or videos of even Dale's car with the same exact setup before, make sure you check out our other videos of these guys, and make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications.